Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is another video to be added to my stitch by stitch playlist, and I hope that you will be inspired to start sewing, or perhaps be inspired to go and purchase a machine like mine. Yeah, so this video will just include sharing with you about parts of this machine, the basic functionalities of the machine, and yeah, what it can do. The machine comes with a manual. It's a detailed manual. It's been a best friend the last couple of days. It's been a Bible in a way. Yeah, so I've been reading it, trying to familiarize myself with the machine. So join me in this video so that you learn what this machine can do. First things first, this is an electric machine, and when we say that this is an electric machine, what it means is it cannot function without electricity. There are other sewing machines that do not require electricity. There are a lot of them on the market. You can get that too. Other people say that it's better to start learning how to sew by using a manual machine than using an electric machine. But I think that is just a way of glorifying difficulties. If a machine can do if an electric machine can do what a manual machine can also do, get an electric machine. And this is modern. There's so many things that this machine can do compared to a manual machine. Yeah, so the machine comes with an electric cord that you have to connect to power, and it is that power that allows you to run the machine, and you use this pedal for the needle to start moving. All right guys, so this is what the one using the machine looks at, and the machine comes with a spool pin. This is where you put the thread that makes the upper stitching, and this is what we call a bobbin winder. And a bobbin winder is what holds the thread that goes in the understitching. So for you to thread that bobbin, you use the spin here. Yeah, and this is a balance wheel. If you don't want to use the pedal to move the needle, you can use this knob here to balance the machine. And this right here is a stitch size selector. If you want your stitching to be longer, this is where you choose the size of your stitch. If you want it smaller or invisible, this is where you choose that. What you see here is what we call the stitch selector. This is where you select the type of stitching that you want in your sewing. Is it a straight line? Is it a zigzag? Is it these are some of the stitching that are possible with this machine. I'm just a learner, so I'm not very familiar with the other ones, but I know that this looks like a straight stitching. This is a zigzag stitching. The other ones are decorative stitching. There's some clothes that we wear, and we see that the tailor or whoever was making the cloth had a decorative stitching pattern, something that adds to the aesthetics of the clothes that we wear. I hope we're together. Yeah. All right. So the machine also comes with a working table extension. Um, it's a loose piece that you have to fix when you start sewing. Yeah, and you can remove it because you cannot be sewing with this part the way it is here. It would be difficult. You can, but it would be difficult in moving your fabric. But with this, it makes it easy because you can now move your fabric in front or forward or backwards. Damn, English is running out. All right, yeah, that's it. Now I want to try and thread my bobbin. We would do it together. Yeah, I have my manual here so that I can be making references, so that I don't do something wrong. Okay, it's just for reference. All my friends going up. Yeah, who's the real plug now? I guess that might be us now. Yeah, in the snow, corner of my road. I should've took the boat. Yeah, I could've took the boat. So happy. I'm very happy that at last I can load the bobbin correctly. I'm so happy. I guess that might be us now. Yeah, always on the road, I never home. Got a couple bands on my own. Now they really calling up my phone. Now they really wish that I was home. But I don't wanna party on my own. I don't wanna feel so alone. I made a couple bands on my own. Now all they wanna do is pay for it. They don't wanna see me get money. So now it's time to thread the thread that is used for the upper stitching when we are sewing. So the first place, the first point to pass the thread is right here under this hook. From then on, you bring it down here. There's another hook below. You take your thread up again, and there's another hook, second one, that comes out when you balance the machine using the big knob. So I will bring it up. Yeah. So I will pass my thread there, then bring it down again. And behind the machine, there's another point where the thread also passes. Yeah. From there, that's when you let the thread go through the needle. I guess that might be us now. Yeah. Always on the road, I never home. Got a couple bands on my own. Now they really calling up my phone. Now they really wish that I was home. But I don't wanna party on my own. I don't wanna feel so alone. I made a couple bands on my own. Now all they wanna do is pay for it. They don't wanna see me get money. At last. Now, how do you fix a bobbin into a bobbin case? When you're fixing your thread, which is on a bobbin, into a bobbin case, make sure that your thread is moving in a clockwise direction, like so. Okay? make sure it's in clockwise. The thread is moving in clockwise direction. From that, you take your thread and bleed it through the slit to the delivery eye. Leave the thread there. When it clicks, know that you've done a great job. Now take your thread behind your
on the corner of my road. I should've took the boat.
Close.
Yeah, I could've took the boat.
You can now bring in
Yeah, I be in the
the
fuss.
table extension
All my friends
because
going
you are
up.
now very close to
Yeah, who's the real plug now? I
the
guess that
end.
might be us now. Yeah, always on the road, I never home. Got
The
a
next
couple
step is
bands
to
on my own. Now they
have
really calling
the
up my phone.
top thread
Now they
behind the
really wish that I was home.
bottom thread,
But I don't
and
wanna
to do
party
that,
on my
we
own.
will use the
I don't
hand
wanna feel
wheel
so alone.
by moving it
I made a couple
in the
bands on my
direction
own.
of self.
Now all they
If
wanna
that is
do
in
is
my
pay for
direction,
it.
when we do
They
that,
don't wanna see me get money, and they don't want nothing to do with peace. I jump up in that whip, they call police. I'm driving, yeah, I'm speeding on the leash. Yeah, yeah. Oh Lord, way to go. Agents on my phone. We be on the road like we on the boat. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right or wrong, I don't even know. All my conscience gone. I don't even know. All my conscience gone. Oh Lord, way to go. Agents on my phone. We be on the road like we on the boat. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right or wrong, I don't even know. All my conscience gone. I don't even know. All my conscience gone. Yeah, at the store, on the corner of my road. Yeah, I could've took the boat. Yeah, I could've took the boat. Yeah, I be in a fuss.
and there you
All my
have it.
friends
There's your
going
top
up.
and your bottom thread, and it
Yeah,
is
who's
at this
the real
point that
plug
you
now?
are.
I guess that might be us now.
You can now start sewing. Let me find something.
All my friends going up. Yeah, who's the real plug now? I guess that might be us now. Yeah, always on the road, I never home. Got a couple bands on my own. Now they really calling up my phone.
Today is the first time I
Now they really wish that I was
have
home.
ever operated
But I don't wanna
a
party
sewing
on
machine.
my own.
Mag-isa
I
natin,
don't
no?
wanna feel so
Way back,
alone. I made a couple
nag-give
bands
pa
on
pala.
my own.
Kailangan sila pang-practice.
Now all they wanna do is pay
Mag-isa
for
nga,
it.
10 minutes to
They don't
9.
wanna see me get
I was like,
money,
let me go and shower and go back
and
and
they
just
don't
go
want
and
nothing to do
prepare
with
and
peace.
rest.
I jump up in that whip, they call police. I'm driving, yeah, I'm
So,
speeding on the
I remember
leash.
buying this
Yeah,
production
yeah. Oh Lord, way to go. Agents on my phone. We be on the road like we on the boat. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right or wrong, I don't even know. All my conscience gone. I don't even know. All my conscience gone. Oh Lord, way to go. Agents on my phone. We be on the road like we on the boat. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right or wrong, I don't even know. All my conscience gone. I don't even know. All my conscience gone.
I'm very proud of myself.
At the store,
Stitching is beautiful.
on the corner of my road. Yeah, I could've.
Guys,